In this video, I am going to show you how to download YouTube TV on a Samsung Smart TV so you can enjoy live and on-demand streaming directly on your big screen. To get started, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. Using your remote, navigate to the Apps or Smart Hub section on your TV's home screen. Once there, open the App Store, which is usually labeled as the Samsung App Store or Galaxy Store, depending on your TV model. Use the search bar to type in YouTube TV. If you don't see a dedicated YouTube TV app, don't worry. Samsung TVs currently don't have a standalone YouTube TV app, but you can still access the service through a web browser or compatible apps like Google TV, if supported. Alternatively, you can use a streaming device like a Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Chromecast connected to your TV to access YouTube TV. Simply install the YouTube TV app on the streaming device and log in with your account details. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to download or access YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.